Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are using Bonkbot to trade Solana meme coins, you might be wondering if you can import your Phantom wallet into your Bonkbot. The answer is no, but you can actually import your Bonkbot wallet into your Phantom wallet. So let's proceed. Once I proceed to my Telegram wallet, I will click on the Bonkbot chat. Once it opens, I will proceed to click on the menu option, which is this. Then, once the menu option opens, click on Home. Once you click on Home, then you proceed to touch the wallet option. Once the wallet option opens, the next thing you need to do is to export seed phrase. Can you see? So, when we touch the export seed phrase, please enter your two-factor code to export your private key. If you have used two-factor authentication on your Telegram account, which is very important, then you will need the 6-digit code to unlock this process. So I will proceed to my OT or your Google Authenticator to get my code. I'm back with my code. This is my details. I'm showing this private key and this seed phrase because I'm not going to make use of this account. Please never show your private key to anyone. This is a demo account. That's why you can see my private key and my seed phrase. I'm not making use of this account. This account is useless just for the purpose of this video. So I proceed to copy I'll proceed to copy my private key or my seed phrase. So I will click on copy seed phrase and private key. Once you copy the seed phrase and private key, please proceed to save them somewhere very safe. Never you save them on your phone. Never you take a screenshot of your seed phrase or your private key. It is very dangerous. So once you have copied it, then you proceed to your Phantom wallet to import with either your seed phrase or your private key. This is my Phantom wallet. Then you proceed to add wallet. You click on add wallet. When you click on add wallet, you will be asked the one you want to import with. Are you creating a new account? No. Are you importing with seed recovery phrase or are you importing with your private key? Because we have the two, we'll just import with any of our choice. So I will be importing with the private key. So I'll proceed to click on the private key. You can just name it anything you want. Because I already have a wallet named Telegram bot on this account, I'll just name this one Pick Telegram bot account. Then I'll proceed to paste my private key. Then now I've pasted it, I'll just click on import. Then you can see I have 0 in this account. I don't have anything in this account. So that is it. I've successfully imported my Bonkbot account into my Phantom wallet. Take note of this. You cannot import a wallet you created on your Phantom wallet into your Telegram Bonkbot account. But you can import an account you created on your Telegram bot account into your Phantom wallet. This is the reason why it's always necessary to import your Bonkbot account into your Phantom wallet. It's because you can actually track your coins in real time. You can access other Solana dApps like Jupiter, Radium. You can also receive and send funds easily or swap tokens outside of Bonkbot. Most time, Bonkbot charges used to be very high, but on other dApps is always cheaper. Though you can always adjust the Bonkbot spillage and the rest. Okay, this is a quick reminder before we wrap it up. Keep your private key offline and never share it with anyone, even if they are your friends. Only use the official Phantom app or browser extension, and always double check any link before importing. So that is it, guys. You have successfully imported your Bonkbot wallet into your Phantom wallet. If this helped you, drop a like, share it with your fellow traders, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tutorials.